So we are going to Durban today to the beach. As I'm in Pretoria, I know I didn't vlog coming to Pretoria, but so today we are going to the beach to Durban. So not Pretoria, man. I'm in Maritzburg. From Maritzburg to Durban. So right now we're going to Durban, to the beach, you know, just to film. And my hair is a mess, but I'll fix it when I get there, because like we are rushing and all that, you know. So I'll fix it when we are coming. So let's go. So guys, I tried fixing my hair. I tried, well it was nothing much, so we stopped here at Spa. They're gonna get a few things, so we stopped here at Spa to get a few things, a few drinks, and then we are good to go. I just have to like brush my hair, but then the brush is with my cousin, so yeah. So guys, we're finally here. I was trying to take pictures, but akubonakali. Bingelela chomi. Hi vlog. Hi Barbs. Try vlogging. Yeah, try vlog. Oh, try vlog. Hi, yes.
Your first vlog.
It's not my first.
It's not her first. What the hell?
Probably 50 something or something.
No, it's not.
What the hell?
Way more than that.
Not 50 something, it's less than that.
What's up, people? What's up?
Hell no.
This is my little brother who acts like my older brother. Yes.
Older brother. They don't want to see you, they want to see me.
Oh gosh. And that's my cousin. No, not my cousin.
Yeah, cousin.
That's my cousin. And then Omncane Auntie Bonkiwe, my biggest sister.
And your older brother.
And my older brother,
Yeah.
apparently. So
You can see that I'm taller than you.
imagine a day without my glasses, bro.
Gosh, bro, you blind as a bat. You can't see you. You blind as a bat. I'm sure it's blurry there, né?
A bat is blind.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
How did you?
know that. Okay. Bye. Okay. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Even though it's such short, but it's okay. My hair.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, I go where I want. Hope you do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. In the mirror, I got myself. Don't need myself.
Oh, Patelo Plastic. He's literally being a gentleman. Like, guys, he's being a gentleman. Exactly. Guys, I'll never get used to the sea. Like, it still scares me.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just know you should. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it like it's on. Take you there. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it like it's on. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it like it's on. Take you there, take you there. Know that you are loved. Even if you don't love your
said ngingabavezi kwi-vlog. Ngibona kwi-vlog yami ngoba ngeke ze nibone. Why never dramatic? Ngicela inhlabathi. Yep. I'm going to change. Because, wow. And my hair is a mess. Oh, it's a brush, right? First, very brush. Ngisho zakho lapha uzofuna ukuzothola la eceleni la eceleni vele ziyaphakama ngoba izange zi-dry kahle. Oh vele ubusuwazi Ntombazane. To change. Nice and clean now. My face has sand. My face is full of sand.
My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love.
Guys, we are at NANDOS and we are waiting for the parents. But I'm is the demo training and then we're gonna eat, order and eat. My eyes are hurting.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the burning, the dust, the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be low. One time, it's down in a class, I'm a poor then. Only see the road, and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits, and I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Me up with thank God for the journey, the burning, the dust to the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be low. One time, kids sit down in a class, I'm a poor then. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings are for me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Read for me the light. Jah knows I'm a person ignited.
Got the music me excited. Coming like a boss. Gets inside, coming like fun. But I'm good for the day.
Katheleke manje uthi gqokisa ijacket khona uzofudumala. Kuba ngisemthathela i-throw yakho yazi.